So the Bureau looks at both the atmosphere and the ocean when declaring an El Nino. And recently we have seen some changes in the atmosphere that indicate El Nino is underway. So one of the key indicators we look at is the pressure pattern. During May, we did see the pressure pattern hint towards El Nino, but that was short-lived. We saw it go back towards neutral during June. But now this recent shift back towards El Nino values, we believe is a sustained shift towards El Nino. Yeah, that's right, Angus. So the positive Indian Ocean dipole occurs to the west of Australia in the Indian Ocean, whereas El Nino is in the Pacific Ocean to the east of Australia. So with the positive Indian Ocean dipole, we get cooler than average waters closer to us in Australia, and this tends to lead to reduced rainfall over central and southern Australia, as well as warmer temperatures. It's a really good question, Angus. So we don't actually expect to see a shift in our long-range forecast just based on the declaration of these two drivers alone. This is because our long-range forecasts have already been including the influence of the development of these drivers, and that's what we've been seeing in the forecast, warmer and drier conditions. What it does mean though is that we can have increased confidence in how our forecasts are going, because now we can see they are properly representing these two climate drivers, whereas previously, a few months ago, it was not so clear. Yeah, it's been a different year this year, and we've just come off the back of our warmest winter on record for Australia. So the chance of unusually dry, that refers to rainfall being in the bottom 20% of the historical record. So looking at the more extreme end of dry rainfall, and what we can see in this map is that particularly over southeast Australia as well as southwest Western Australia, we do have at least 3 times the chance of getting those unusually dry conditions. So this map, the unusually warm maximum temperature map, we really see the chance of having unusually warm conditions being over Western Australia, as well as parts of Southeast Australia. But Australia as a whole does have an increased chance of seeing unusually warm temperatures.